Okay, so that's the first part of Fool in the Rain. That part goes like a million times, so it's real important to the song. We're gonna have a C chord. We have the fives on the D, G, and B strings. We're gonna go into part of a D minor chord, 7, 7, and 6 on the same 3 strings. Part of an E minor, 9, 9, and 8. So we got, it's our first 3 chords. And here we have part of A minor, the bottom 3 strings, 5s. We're gonna hit it again, go to the G down here, 4, 3, 3. Another part of a G, 5, 4, and 3 on the D to B. So we got. Second time, a little different ending. Just kind of slide that one down. Okay, let's try that real nice and slow. 2, 3, and. And. Start again, and. And. Okay, so like I say, that goes a whole lot of times. Then we have another riff that comes in over the top of that to kind of add something new. Okay, and then it just stops going. So it's 4 times of that. So we got 7 on the A, 5 and 5 on the D to G. And we come down to the D string, do the same thing, 7, 5, 5 going down. So we got, that's gonna be 7 on the G to 9 on the D. And then we're gonna go do those 2 notes again, 7, 9, and then 5, 7, 4, 5 going down. All in a row like that. So. Okay, so let's try that real slow. 3, 4. Okay, and let's try this main riff over time. 3, 4. And. One more time, and. And. Okay, then we have a big breakdown. We're gonna have, it's kind of an acoustic guitar. It's gonna have some fast strumming after that drum kind of breakdown and stuff goes along. Got the whistles and stuff going down. So we're gonna have. So it's part of a C chord, 5, 5, and 3 down here in the bottom 3. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, up. And then all 5s down there. And then a D shape, it's a G chord here on the 7th fret. And an F chord. Same thing, so we got 3, 4. Okay, let's try it real slow. 3 and 4 and. 2 more times. Then later we have a heavy part, with kind of like power chords, like. So it's C power chord, A string, 3 and 5 here, F to G, and you have a quick one on the O to 3 on the A, D string, kind of hold this 2 a little bit, go down to the G string open, right into the chords. Let's try that real slow. 3, 4. Okay, so that goes 8 times in the song. Now we're gonna look at some excerpts from the solo. Beginning of the solo is like. Okay, so that's a little bit of the beginning of the solo, so we're gonna have. So we got 7 on the D, 9 and 8 going down. Come back to the 9 and hit a 10 after that on the G string. Second one just ends with the 9 there. Then we're gonna go to the same shape over here, 5, 7, 6. So 5, 7, 6, 7. We're gonna go to the 5 on the second string. Then we're gonna go 5, 7, 5, 7, 5. So. Pull off here, 7 to 5 on the G, 5, 7, and then 5 on the D after that 7 on the D. Hammer on the A, 5, 7, and then 5, 7, 5 on the D. So we got rest. Okay, and we got. So 7 on the G, 7 on the D, 5 on the G, slides down. We have 2 pull-offs on 6, 5. We have 2 pull-offs on 7, 5, 7, 5, down to 7. So then we got a 5 to 7, G to D strings, 7, 5. Then we got 7 on the D, hold the 5 a little, and then slide it down to the 4, and get that G note over here, that 5th fret. So we got. Now the next one's gonna go. Okay, so some of these parts are super fast and I skipped them, but I got some of those slower ones that you can really hear what they're doing. So we got 3 pickup notes here. We got 9 and 10 on the G, and then 8 on the second string. Back to 9, 10 on the G. Quick 7, 9 on the G. To the 7, quick 10, 9 there, and then more of a slow one after that. So it's. Okay, we have another one, we go. So it's kind of an octave thing, a little 12. We're gonna rake down to the 9 on the 3rd string, kind of mute those strings on the way down. So after we do the 12, rake to 2 of those 9s, 10, 9, 10 to 10, D to A strings there. Then we're gonna go to the octave of this D down here. We're gonna hit the little 10 and then the 7. You kind of wait a little longer in that measure than the other one. And then we have 7, 9, and then a quick hammer on pull off. So that's. And then we have 7 and then 9, 7. 2 9 7s on the D. 5, 7, 5. So it's like. Okay, and with anything, listen to it a bit, try to get those little phrasings right. We have an outro riff that's great on this tune too. We're gonna go 3 to open, and then 5 to open on the second string to 5 on the third string. So then the next one's gonna go 5 0 5 0 5. So 3 5 5, and then 5 5 5, and then 3, and then we have a set of 4 notes. 1 0 to 3 1 on the second, and then we go 1, and then we have 4 notes after that. Open 3 1 0. So it's 1 and then we're back to. Then at the very end, we're going to go. So we did the first part, and then 6 and 5 in the bottom two. One more 6, G chord there, 7, 8, 7. So. All right, Fool in the Rain, Led Zeppelin off Physical Graffiti. Hope you dig that. Got a tab with this. Got the Wanton song coming up next. Talk to you soon.